Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're facing audio crackling, muffled audio, or if you're hearing popping sound, audio cut, audio stutter, static audio on your Windows 11 computer. Then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to sound control panel. So type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel. Now go to hardware and sound and then go to sound. This will open sound control panel. Now over here, you can select your speaker, make a right click on speaker, go to properties, go to levels, click on balance. Now this has worked for me. This is what has worked for me. So you can try this. Now, if left and right are set, it has the same number, then you can try setting left to 50 and right to 100. So here you can set this to 50, or you can set it to 50 over here, and over here you can set this to 100. Click on OK. Now hit apply if you see apply option, and then you can check. Now if that does not work, you can check. If that does not work, then again you can go to balance and you can set to the same value the way it was before and follow the next step. So if it's not working, you can set it to the value which was before and try the next step. Now the next step is to disable headphone or mic in recording tab in sound control panel. So again, open control panel, go to hardware and sound, and then go to sound. Now go to the recording tab. Now over here, if you have you can disable headphone or mic in the go to the recording tab, and then you have to disable it. Make a right click and disable it. In my case, this is already disabled. You can disable it. For some users, even disabling the default microphone has worked. So you can disable it and then check. If not working, make a right click and enable it again. Now the next step is to turn off spatial sound. Again, open the sound control panel and then make a right click on your speaker. Go to properties, and over here you can see spatial sound. Now if this is set to Windows Sonic for headphone, you can set it to off and then hit apply. Apply is important, and then click on OK, and then you can check. Now if this is already off, you can try Windows Sonic for headphone and then try both. But for many users, turning it off and then hit apply has worked. So you can try this. Next step is to uncheck hands-free telephony. Now this has also worked. So you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in and run in Windows search box, open run box, paste the command over here, click on OK. Now over here, select your speaker, make a right click, go to properties, go to services. Now over here, you have to uncheck hands-free telephony. Uncheck this box, hit apply, click on OK, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to set sound sample rate to 48 or 44,000 Hertz in sound control panel. Now again, type in control panel, hardware and sound, go to sound. Now select your speaker, make a right click, go to properties, go to advanced tab. Now over here, if you have higher values like 192,000 Hertz, 96,000, you can try 24-bit 48,000 Hertz. Hit apply, click on OK, and then you can check. Apply is important. If that does not work, you can try 16-bit 48,000, hit apply, click on OK, and then check. 24-bit, if that does not work, try 24 bits 44,100 Hertz, hit apply. Apply is important, click on OK, and then check. You can even try this 16-bit 44,100 Hertz, hit apply, click on OK, and then you can check. Still not working. Disconnect controller and USB dongle. So if you have any controller connected which you're not using, disconnect any kind of dongle, USB adapter, disconnect all external devices which you're not using, disconnect it and then check. Next is to disable Oculus voice meter in audio device, or in disable Oculus voice meter or any other audio device which you're not using in sound control panel. Now for this, again open sound control panel, go to playback, and over here, if you have, you can select, you can keep the speaker which you are using enabled, rest you can disable. If you find Oculus voice meter or any other audio device which you are not using, you can make a right click and disable it, and then you can check. You can do the same thing. Go to the recording tab. In the recording tab, you can disable a cooler's voice or any other audio device if you have it over here. Make a right click and disable it. And once you disable it, now you can check. Now once you're done, like if you're playing any game, or if once you're done playing that, using that application or game, you can just, if you want to enable it later on, you can enable it. Also make a right click the start menu and then go to device manager, and then go to sound, video and game controllers, expand it. Again over here, if you find Oculus, voice meter or any other audio device which you're not using, you can make a right click and disable that device. And like you can keep your speaker, the speaker which you want to use, enable. Rest you can disable. Later on if you want to enable, you can enable. So try this. Still not working. The next step is to install audio driver from device manager. Now for this, make a right click the start menu, go to device manager, expand sound, video and game controllers. Now select your speaker, make a right click, go to update driver, go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you can select. If you have one driver, multiple driver, you can try it one by one. I have only one. You can click on next, install the driver, click on next, it will install the driver, and then you can check. If that does not work, roll back audio drivers. To roll back audio drivers, you can make a right click, start menu, device manager, expand sound, video and game controllers, select your speaker and then make a right click. Now go to properties, go to driver tab. If you see rollback driver is highlighted over here. In my case, it's grayed out. Grayed out, you can skip this step. If it is highlighted, you can roll back and then restart your PC and then check. Next step is to check for disabled device, enable it and make it default. Now, if sometimes the main audio device is disabled. So if the main audio device is disabled, you can make a right click, enable it. You will see enable option and then you can check. And sometimes it's hidden. So you have to make sure it's not hidden. So make a right click. So disabled device, you can see everything. If this is unchecked, you can put a check and then you can enable it and make it default and then check. Now this is, in my case, it's not applicable, but if it is applicable, you can try this. Restart Windows audio services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows audio service. Here you can see Windows audio. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. If your start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows audio and then click on restart. Click on yes, and then once it is complete, now you can check. Next step is to perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab, put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Make sure this option is checked, then click on disabled all, apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your PC and then check. Next step is to uninstall the audio driver and restart PC. So make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand sound, video and game controllers, and you can select your speaker, make a right click, click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is complete, restart your PC. Restart is a must. During the system restart, it will install the default audio driver and then you can check. Next step is to install audio driver from system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So whichever brand you have, you can go to your system manufacturer website. This is just an example I'm showing for Dell system. So you can go to your system manufacturer website and then select your model number. Make sure that you select your computer. This is just an example. And once you select your computer, now you can go to drivers page and then you can find the drivers for audio. Make sure that you select the right operating system and then you can find the audio driver. Once you find the audio driver, you can download it, install it, restart your PC and then you can check. When you restart the PC, it will complete the install and then check. Next step is to update Windows. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to perform system restore. This is the last step. So type in system restore in Windows search box. Click on create a restore point. Click on system restore over here and then click on next. Now you can select the date and time on which date the audio was working fine. Suppose you started facing this audio issue today. So you can select the date and time for maybe yesterday or day before yesterday. So you can select the restore point when the audio was working fine and then click on next and let the restore complete. This process will take some time. And once this is complete, log into the computer and then check the audio. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the audio issue with Windows 11. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.